Hey everyone, welcome to another Vagaro tutorial. In this video, we'll be going over transaction list reports. Here we are on the calendar menu. You can begin by tapping More at the bottom right, tap on Reports, and tap on Transactions List. At the top, we can tap on Date Range to select how narrow or broad you want your reports to be. Once you select the date range, you will see your cash drawer balance, which is the amount of cash that is in your physical drawer. To the right, you can see Money Earned. If you tap on it, you will get a small summary of the money for your company. The sections consist of today's cash drawer balance, money earned, redeemed, and sales. If you tap these icons here, it will give you a better explanation of each section. Now, let's get back to the transaction list. If you want to filter out your search even more, you can tap on this icon here. You can filter by service providers, customers, when the appointment took place, merchants, transaction type, who checked out the customer, credit card transactions mode, discounts used. You can type in barcode, brand, product, and product type, show refund items only, and include past employees. Also, you can sort the reports from top to bottom by tapping Sort By and selecting an option. Run reports to view your transaction list. Each square is a transaction within your list. If we tap the square, we can see a breakdown of the transaction. Let's go over the breakdown from top to bottom. Transaction date is when the payment transaction happened. Appointment date is the day the service was performed. Sold by is the service provider who booked the service. Checkout by is the person who completed the payment transaction. Item is what was purchased. Quantity was the amount that was purchased. Price, tax, tip, discount, and amount the customer paid. Below that, we'll display the payment method. Now at the top right, we can tap the three dots. Here is where you will be processing receipts and refunds. Let's begin with receipts. You will get the preview of the receipt. You can tap Print if you have a Bluetooth printer connected, or you can tap the down arrow to add a printer. If you want to send an email receipt, you can click here. Confirm the email and tap Email Receipt. Now your customer will receive the receipt through email. Next, let's go back to refunds. At the top, we can click on the customer's name, enter the total amount you want to refund. Remember, it doesn't have to be the original amount. It can be a partial refund. Tap Next and select which payment method you want to issue the refund in. You can split the amount into multiple methods. Tap Submit, then tap Refund. Here you enter the reason for the refund, and you can toggle on which receipt to provide. A physical or email receipt. Now your transaction has been successfully refunded. Tap OK to continue. All refunded transactions will have Refund attached to it in red. Finally, if you want to print or export the report in a PDF or Excel file, tap the three dots here and tap Print, Export PDF, or Export Excel. Now we're all finished here. Now that you have gone through the transaction list, you'll have an easier time navigating your business's sales and providing refunds and receipts for customers who request them. This video was all about transaction list reports on the Vagaro Pro app.